It suddenly struck me that that tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the Earth. I put up my thumb and shut one eye, and my thumb blotted out the planet Earth. I didn't feel like a giant. I felt very, very small. I believe that every human has a finite amount of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine running around doing exercises. Mystery creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of man's desire to understand. I am, and ever will be, a White Sox, pocket protector, nerdy engineer, born under the second law of thermodynamics, steeped in steam tables, in love with free body diagrams, transformed by Laplace and propelled by compressible flow. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Shoot for the stars, but if you happen to miss, shoot for the moon instead. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Thank you for watching.